Hello guys, let's draft a perfect sleeve. Now we're going to be taking this measurement. So the first measurement is your sleeve length. So you're going to measure your sleeve length, and the second one is your round sleeve. Can you see it? This is where you place your tape to measure your round sleeve. And another measurement is your wrist measurement. This is how you take your wrist measurement, or wherever you want your sleeve to get to, that is the length, you measure round that place. So I'm going to be folding my pattern paper into two so that we can draft this sleeve, and I'm going to be ruling a straight line of like ½ inch. That will now serve as my starting line. From that point, guys, I'm going to go down by 4 inches. Now this 4 inches is called the cap height. It is usually okay for everybody, except that when you see that maybe your client has a very fat arm, that is when you can do between 4 to 5 inches, but for standard measurement 4 inches is okay. So on that cap height, that is where you now put in your round sleeve. So when you measure the round sleeve of your clients, whatever you have, you indicate it there. Then you're now going to divide the round sleeve by 2. Can you see what I'm doing? So you divide it by 2. Now after dividing it by 2, what you have, also put it on the upper part. So you can now rule a straight line connecting the two lines together. Then guys, the 4 inches that we use as our cap height, you are going to divide it by 2. Can you see? Yeah, you divide it by 2. So 2 divided by 4 is 2. You're now going to mark it and also rule a straight line connecting it together. Then you take your curve ruler. Now can you see the way I'm placing my curve ruler? You place it from the starting line, then let it touch the middle of your cap height. You know, the round sleeve that we divided by 2. Yeah, so let it touch it. Then after that, you're going to carry your curve ruler and you use the curvy part of it. Now for pattern drafting, guys, as a fashion designer, you need to have those sets of curve rulers. You know, the most important one is just your straight ruler and this particular one. So you connect it to your round sleeve measurement. Then the next thing is to get the length of your sleeve wherever you want it to get to. You can add your hemming allowance, like folding allowance, on the down part. So after putting it, you're now going to add 1 inch sewing allowance. So guys, I realize I've not added the 1 inch sewing allowance on the round sleeve, so I'm going to do that before connecting it together. So this is just the basic sleeve and it is perfect for all sizes. So I went ahead to connect it together and our sleeve is ready. Very simple. So before you cut, guys, you can add 0.25 or ½ inch sewing allowance to the upper part before you cut. Now this is it. I've gone ahead to add it and I'm cutting it. So guys, kindly like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and let's stick together, guys. I realize that most people that watch don't subscribe, because when you check the YouTube analysis, most of the people that watch, they don't subscribe. When you subscribe, it actually encourage us to do more. So this is how the sleeve is going to be. It is very easy, perfect. Thank you. I'll see you all in my next one.